Hello kids, welcome back to the channel. Today learn intro, capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Purple color, yellow color, light pink color, brown color, red color, green color, light purple color, sky blue color, orange color, dark pink color, dark blue color, and black color. It's now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. Kids, now you draw E, the alphabets of E. E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J, the alphabets of J. J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon. Kids, now you draw N, the alphabets of N. And N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R, the alphabets of R. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van. Kids, now you draw W, the alphabets of W. W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6, the numbers of 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.